Have you ever wondered what actually happens inside ChatGPT when you ask it a question? We're going to dive into how this powerful AI actually processes information. ChatGPT is a type of AI known as a large language model, or LLM, developed by OpenAI. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text. LLMs are massive neural networks trained on vast amounts of text data, allowing them to learn patterns, grammar, and knowledge needed for complex language tasks. The foundation of ChatGPT's knowledge is its training data. This includes books, articles, websites, and more, which is how it learns to communicate. Before processing, text is broken down into, quote, tokens, which are like individual words or parts of words. These are then converted into numerical inputs for the model to understand. ChatGPT uses the transformer architecture, notably the attention mechanism, which allows the model to weigh the importance of different words in a sentence, drastically improving context understanding. When you input a prompt, ChatGPT predicts the most statistically probable next word, and then the next, generating a coherent and relevant response piece by piece. After initial training, the model is fine-tuned using reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF, to align the AI's responses with human preferences and safety guidelines. Despite its power, ChatGPT has limitations. It has a finite context window for remembering previous parts of a conversation and can sometimes hallucinate or provide inaccurate information. The technology behind ChatGPT is rapidly evolving. We can expect even more capable and context-aware language models in the very near future.